Hey y'all, today we are making something that I am just so excited about. We are making Chipotle Chicken Alfredo pasta. This is all of my favorite things. This is pasta, this is spicy, this is just like southwestern cheesy, delicious. Quick note, we film these videos during our 1-year-old's nap time, and today he has decided to cut nap time short. So you're gonna hear a little bit of squawking in the background, but the end result is very tasty and worth your time. And if you guys are enjoying these videos, please make sure to like and subscribe. We appreciate every subscriber, every like, every comment we get. It really helps us out. All right. Let's get started. Yeah, I know. No more blueberries. You got the blueberries, so they're just on your tray now. Before anything else, we'll get the water boiling for our pasta. And go ahead and salt the pasta water. This is the seasoning mixture for the chicken. I've got half a teaspoon each of salt and brown sugar, and then a 1/4 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, onion powder, and black pepper. To be perfectly honest, I come from a Lowry seasoning salt family. We grew up putting that on everything. This is kind of an attempt to recreate that just at home, and then that way, you don't have to have that specific brand of seasoning salt. But we're gonna go ahead and take this and mix it up and get it all over our chicken. We're gonna sprinkle it on both sides. Now make sure that we get it rubbed in nice and evenly all over. Okay, looks good. I hate touching raw chicken. Okay, we've got the pan coated nice and evenly with the butter, and we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken down in here. Now here's an important part. Whenever you first put the chicken into the pan, make sure it's a hot pan, and then don't touch it for a few minutes. That will really help to get that nice golden sear on it. So don't touch it yet. We don't really want big chunks of chipotle pepper in the sauce, so we're gonna go ahead and put the chipotles in a blender with a little bit of our half and half to just get it nice and mixed up and not, just big chunks. These are pretty spicy. If you're sensitive to spice, it might not be a bad idea to start with half a can. I'm going full can. And just pulse it a couple times for 10 or 15 seconds. You don't want to accidentally whip your cream. These have been cooking on medium heat for about 4 or 5 minutes, and they're coming up pretty easily, so I think it's time to go ahead and flip them. Got that nice caramelization, see? That looks good. Our pasta water is boiling. We're gonna put fettuccine in now. That's my choice, but really any pasta is gonna work great. Get it all nestled down in there. And kind of separate it as it first starts to cook to it so it doesn't stick together too much. Okay, this chicken looks great. And we've cooked it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, and we'll pull it off and we'll let it rest for a little bit before we slice it. We've got the heat turned down to low, and we're going to melt a tablespoon of butter in the pan. Okay, I sliced up 1 red bell pepper. I'm going to put this in the butter and kind of saute it down. And I'm going to use the microplane to go ahead and grate 2 cloves of garlic and get those down in there with the peppers. You can go ahead and turn your stove top back up to medium or medium low so that these get cooking. It's been about 9 minutes and it's time to drain our pasta. And I wanted to make sure to say thank you to my mom for the new pans and to my brother Cole and his wife Janine for the new utensils. The kitchen is looking great. Our peppers have cooked down. They look really caramelized and tasty. We're gonna go ahead and add our half and half now. I'm gonna start with the plain half and half, but it doesn't really matter. Just get them both in there. We've got some Parmigiano Reggiano right here. We're gonna go ahead and get that stirred in too. Our sauce is done and ready to go on the pasta. I'm gonna put the sauce on top of the pasta instead of the other way around, simply because I'm afraid I'm gonna overflow the saucepan and I don't wanna do that. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour this over the pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and slice the chicken up now. You could go ahead and mix it all in with the pasta, but I want it kind of plated up nice and pretty, so I'm gonna slice it and just lay it right over the top. We've got this mostly plated up, but we're going to add some green onions. And some leftover Parmesan. That looks amazing. Okay guys, this is my favorite part of every video, but I'm especially excited about this one. Let's see how it turned out. Maybe my favorite recipe we've done so far. It's so good. It has real spice to it. It has real spice to it in a smoky way that goes so well with the Parmesan. The onions on top and the bell peppers in there really help balance everything out. I mean, 10 out of 10. Of all the videos we've done so far, I think this was my favorite. This is basically a perfect pasta dish, and that is coming from a serious pasta fanatic. Go make this, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go eat the rest of this plate. Bye y'all.